Don't forget to subscribe. Hey yo, what's up, bro? Hold on, I am just downloading a video screen recorder thingy for my phone. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how to make money as a kid slash teen that can't get a job like me, because I'm not 16. I'm not trying to flex or something, I'm just showing you it works, okay? It really does. So you want to get that new Minecraft skin or something? Do this. Probably gonna want a parent or adult or someone to go with you though, because technically it could be dangerous. Anyway, I would download an app like one of these. I personally use OfferUp and the Facebook Marketplace whenever I do this. But you would open up one of these. Say you want to buy these chairs to sell. Say you want to make money off of selling these chairs, okay? So you would basically just buy them and sell them for a higher price. Your profit may not be too big of a deal, but it's profit. It works. If you have something used that you never use that's just lying in your room or something, like this shirt that I got when I was in like 2nd grade, like I could sell that. It might take some time, but you know, I could list up there for $5 and make some stonks. But it really is as simple as that. This is the way it works. You would I'm bad at talking. You would talk to the person by using the app's built-in chatting feature, whatever you call it, messaging system, and plan to meet up in a nearby area. But you want to make this a very public area, like a nearby grocery store, parking lot, or something like that, where everyone could see you. So less chance of you getting robbed or kidnapped or something. And you would just make the deal. I'll give you the product, you give me $20, something like that. But really, if you're looking for some side money that doesn't come from your birthday or Christmas or something, this works. I just felt like sharing this with you guys because I think it's actually really useful, and it's not something that I don't think a lot of people do. Just make sure a bigger person goes with you just in case, because you don't want to get robbed or something.